Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. This is not a tremendous amount of wax in this ear canal, but it's just where the wax is located. We've got a film of wax that's covering the canal wall and the eardrum. So this patient has been experiencing not pain, but just some reduction in hearing. So what we've done first of all is just sprayed a little bit of olive oil in here. It just helps to detach the wax from the canal wall. So I'm just going to do a little bit of gentle probing with the Zollner. This is a fine end Zollner, so we're just going to try and lift the wax from the canal wall. There you go, just starting to see it peel away. The trick with this is to try and get it away in one piece if you can. So it's a case of just gently peeling this down the ear canal off the skin underneath. So what the patient will feel is a pulling sensation, no discomfort, as long as you're quite gentle and don't touch the canal wall too much. So you can just see just starting to lift this away again. You've got to be so careful with this because we want to keep this as intact as we possibly can to stand the best chance of it coming away in one piece. There we are. Just working that down the canal. You can just see to the right of the fine end the eardrum underneath, so it's starting to peel away from the eardrum now. There we are. You can just see the colour of the eardrum underneath. So I'm going to use the crocodile forceps now to get a grip on this because I can't pull it away any further. Just going to try and grip this outer section first and lift. Oh, just broke away. A little bit of hair on the outer part of the ear canal, making it a bit more difficult to see. We use the standard end on the Zollner now. We've got a nice big chunk to work on, so we're just going to see if we can get hold of this and just maneuver it. We are just pulling it away from the eardrum. There we are. It's another piece. Don't really want to work too closely with the standard size Zollner in here, so very gently getting a grip on this wax. You can see it all pulling off the eardrum and off the canal walls, all coming away in one long strip. There we are. And just take a look at that eardrum. And there you go, nice squeaky clean eardrum underneath. And that's what we pulled away. It doesn't look huge on there, but that was completely covering the drum and the canal. So that's what we sucked away in the tank there. So thank you very much for watching again, guys, and as always, if you did like the video, then please like, share, subscribe, and take care.